Hi, this is Radhika Chopra and I'm back again with the letters of your name. If you remember, our last video was about the letters from A to I. And if your name started with any of those letters, we gave you a little preview of what that means. So now we're going to explore the journey from the letters from J to R. So if your name starts with the letter J, what kind of qualities would that give you? It makes you a person who has leadership qualities. Although you may be slow to start, you may be slow to take the initiative, you may get lazy as soon as you start, you may not be wanting to complete or see through your projects. It gives you leadership qualities, but as well, it makes you a person who is a little cohesive, and includes other people and not as probably focused as an A. So those whose name begins with the letter K, well, for you, it is about being inventive. You are motivated by inspirational ideas, so you're an idea person. But at the same time, you could be a little nervous, or you can slip into laziness or feeling shy about really beginning on new things. So you require someone to inspire you, to push you, to motivate you, and to encourage you. You could be very intuitive, and so it is important for you to follow your gut feeling or intuition when you begin something. Those whose name begins with the letter L, now that makes you a highly creative person. You can take an idea and you can bring it to fruition. You are balanced, you are creative, and yet you are organized in your creativity. You require steps to what you can create. So it's very important for you to have things mapped down as to what is your step 1, step 2, and then actually create something. So a process works well for you. You must hone in to your creative abilities. Those whose name starts with the letter M, it makes you highly industrious as a person. But at the same time, if you do not keep your focus, you can get very scattered. You can also become moody, sometimes feeling great highs, and at times you feel great lows, and then you do not want to start. So it's really important for you to stay focused and to have a discipline or a routine in your life. Now, those people whose name begins with the letter N, now this makes you an idea person, but you can operate from fits and starts. So sometimes you take 2 steps forward and then you will take a step back. And that's the problem with the N. It vacillates too much. And it can also become very restless and scattered. So those whose name begins with the letter O, it makes you highly inclusive, extremely tuned in to other people's emotions and feelings. You know what other people need from you. So you do very well when you are with people. There's a caring attitude. Sometimes you can become a doormat. So it's really important for you to have your personal boundaries. You're very good with the arts and highly creative as well, and a great caretaker. People whose name begins with the letter P. P is like a double-edged sword. You have to be very aware about how you're using your energies. You can be a person who's really good with things which require details. So you go into details. You can take a pause, take stock of things, and then move forward. You can also be very shy and introverted. Now those qualities help if you have other extrovert numbers. But on the other hand, the word of caution for the P is sometimes you can communicate with people which can be misunderstood. So a relationship issues is something that a P can sometimes run into. Now those people whose name begins with the letter Q, and I know they are very few and far between, but those who do have the letter Q in their name as the beginning need to be aware that they can get very, very shy, and they can hold all their feelings and emotions bottled up inside them, and no one outside them can know. But on the upside, people whose name begins with the letter Q are highly industrious people. They can take initiative. They have great leadership qualities. Now, people whose name begins with the letter R, first the word of caution. They can be highly intense, can take things personally, can feel a lot of passion. Now, sometimes that works well, and sometimes it makes them extremely strong-willed and strong-headed. At the same time, they have a strength with their emotions. They're highly industrious and can take leadership positions and handle it very well. And that completes the journey from J to R.